Hello, friends. Welcome back. We are here this time with an absolutely amazing recipe you can try for this Christmas season. Cooking chicken in a delicious creamy sauce is the highlight of this recipe, and which is why it is one of my favorites. You can serve this with breads of any kinds, chapatis, rotis, or even pasta and spaghetti. So now, let's begin with the process. Firstly, we need to make a quick marinade. Into a bowl, take garlic powder, add white pepper and salt as per taste. Then let's drizzle some olive oil and give a good mix. Just combine them well and keep aside. Next, we need to get ready with the chicken. Let's begin with the cleaned and boneless chicken. Spread them over a plate or a cutting board. Then take the marinade we just made and randomly brush them over each of the chicken pieces. Apply the marinade on both sides of the chicken pieces. And then it's good to keep it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the preps for the cooking. As garlic sauce is a main part of this recipe, we need to have freshly chopped garlic. Chop them as fine as possible, or you can even mince them, or simply use a garlic press. Also, we need to finely chop the onion. When these are ready, let's proceed to the cooking. First, we need to pan fry the chicken. So, heat a pan at medium. Drizzle some olive oil. Now, randomly place in the marinated chicken. And cook at medium to low for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep checking in between. It's good to cook on each side for a minimum of 3 to 5 minutes. And when one side is done, flip to the other side and continue cooking. I love to cook till both the sides are slightly crispy. Once done, off the flame and then place them on a plate. And keep aside while we continue making the creamy garlic sauce. Now for the sauce, Into the same pan, I'm adding butter. Just as the butter begins to melt, let's add the freshly minced garlic and saute for 1 minute at low flame. When it just begins to turn brown, add the chopped onion and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, for the spices, I like to add some mixed herbs, also adding some white pepper and salt for taste. Now, let's saute them all together at low flame. Next, I'm going to add little warm water, but you can also freely use chicken stock. Just bring to simmer and then let's add cooking cream. Give a quick mix and allow to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add the grated Parmesan cheese. Now, this is optional, though I love to add it as it gives an additional flavor and a lovely texture. Now, our creamy garlic sauce is almost done. And so, we're going to add the pan fried chicken into the sauce. Continue cooking for 3 to 4 minutes and mix them in between to bring in the flavors. It's good to keep at low flame so that the flavors are well absorbed by the chicken pieces and the sauce also slightly thickens. Lastly, let's garnish with some fresh basil leaves. Now, if fresh ones are not available in your part of the country, you can also use the dried ones. Combine them all and give a good mix. Now it's time to turn off the flame. And yes, we are ready to serve. Serve this creamy garlic chicken with your favorite breads, chapati, roti, pasta, spaghetti, or even coconut rice and garlic rice. And relish with your family and friends during this festive season. And wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you for being with us and would really love to see you in our next video. Until then, take care and enjoy.